Well, here we are on speed, front row. Probably due to get a soaking. If I wasn't filming, I think I'd have gone near the back to get a bit of shelter from the water.
My tongue is already wet.
You've already got a wet bum there.
And it does not feel nice.
Ale jak dam, mogę to jeszcze zobaczyć, już mi takie... Możesz to być, ale zegarka nie urwie? Nie.
Why am I shaking for? I'm actually shaking. But the fact that we're actually...
Oops, crash.
We're going to actually get to soaking.
You're ready to get a soaking, Leo.
I'm not.
Yes.
No, I'm
Where's your
not.
mum? How far back is she?
She's one from the back.
One from the back of the boat. You should probably get saved from the worst of the water now.
Apparently that is 164 feet tall.
Is it?
Yeah, Mummy told me. I'm absolutely shaking. I don't know why. I'm just super nervous. Wait a minute, I thought... Oh no.
There's a plaque as you're coming in saying it was won the award of Water Coaster of the Year in 2018, which I assume was the year it opened.
Chloe, I'm absolutely shaking right now. I do not want to get this soaked. It's a big soak.
There's the lift mechanism taking the boat in front of us up.
Oh no.
I tu kapie na nas z góry. I pan stary, jakie haponki. Jak to chyba z malucha. I to zapasówki. Bo nie ma kura, że zwykle były takie cienkie. Ty, a to mnie...
No.
Nie zajebali ci kilo? Awaryjny?
No.
No bo tutaj są cztery takie opony.
Let me go now.
Here we go up.
Oh no.
No tak. Czemu to się tam przypomniło? No bo to jest...
Nice for you to park from up here.
Oj, ale to będzie mocno zrzucona do góry. Nie ma kura, że... Nie daje.
The camera survives the splash.
Nie, ale to jest za wysokie, nie. Do góry łapy, do góry chłopak. Zaufaj.
Oh, that one wasn't so bad. I think it's the last one that gets us out. Oh no, here we go. It wasn't quite as wet as I expected to get, but wet enough.
20 groszy! 20 groszy!
Quite brilliant lens.